Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hi kids and parents. Today we will learn English with fun cooking sentences. Let's get started and have some fun in the kitchen. I am cooking. I am cooking. Cut the onions. Cut the onions. Boil the water. Boil the water. She is frying eggs. She is frying eggs. Add some salt. Add some salt. He is chopping tomatoes. He is chopping tomatoes. Mix the ingredients. Mix the ingredients. We are baking. We are baking. Stir the soup. Stir the soup.